Hey everybody on YouTube. Did you miss me? No? Well, hey, I was working on getting sound, okay? I promised you guys I would get sound, and I did get sound. So, I don't really need this right now. My new webcam has a built-in microphone, but I felt like it. I mean, seriously, I don't even need the microphone. Look, you guys can still hear me, and I just unplugged it. Let me just plug that back in. But whoop-de-doo. Mr. I'm a teenager who knows how to yell in front of a camera has got sound, so we actually have to hear his annoying voice. Yeah, that's pretty much about what you guys are thinking. If you're not thinking that, probably something wrong with you. Nah, I just felt like doing that. I don't even know. But I'm back. I'm wearing a Batman hat. Got a new jacket. No, not wearing my magic jacket anymore. I got messed up. So how have you YouTubers out there been? Fear the Underdogs? Death by Headphones? Winterdayis? You should check out Winterdayis. It's me and my older sister doing covers of songs. So far we only have one video out, but me and her live in completely different states, so each video takes a while to upload because we're so far away from each other. We're like a state away. It's a 6-hour drive. It's not something you can do in every day. But if we did live together, we probably would have a lot more videos out. But the video is a cover of Kanye West's Heartless. I'll have a link in the description below. Haven't forgotten how to point to the description. And I'll also have down there a link to my Facebook page. And if you're watching this from Facebook, click on the thumbnail. You'll get to my YouTube page, and you'll probably be able to click on winterdayis' channel. Listen to my failed attempt to rap and sing at the same time. But don't worry, upcoming covers will be a lot better. So, my video question today is, you guys prefer me with sound or without sound? Leave your answers and topic suggestions in the comments section down there. Yeah, it's underneath me. Or if you're watching this from Facebook, in the comment section. But let's talk about topic suggestions, shall we? Now, I've been asking you guys for topic suggestions. Nobody's been giving me topic suggestions. I've been asking for them for a while now. And I need something to ramble on about, you know? I need to entertain all three of you. You guys don't give me your topic suggestions? I can't ramble. That's why you guys clicked on this video, isn't it? To hear me ramble. Hear me ramble. Got a bunch of dust on my keyboard. So, anyways, again I say, leave your answers to the video question and your topic suggestions in the comment section, no matter what website you're watching this from. And I'll see you next week. I'm TheRSC3 signing off.